When we are sick, we usually get better with rest and time, but sometimes we need some help from the doctor to get well. Dr. Mom, a physician and mother of 2, has some tips on when you should go to the doctor.
Having the cold or the flu is no fun. The good news is that most people recover from the flu in a few days and from colds in a week. But not everything that seems like a cold or the flu is really innocuous. Here are some symptoms to watch for. If you or a loved one have any of the following symptoms, then you need to see medical attention as soon as possible. One symptom to be on the lookout for is an earache. If you have an earache during a cold, you may have a bacterial infection and you could need antibiotics. Another fairly distinct symptom to be on the alert for is green mucus. If your mucus is green, be sure to see your physician immediately, as this is often a symptom of pneumonia or bronchitis. Neither a cold nor the flu should make you short of breath or cause pain in your chest. If you are experiencing either of these symptoms, it could indicate a more serious problem like pneumonia or heart disease, so please call your physician. Painful swallowing is also not a normal symptom of a cold. It can often be the sign of an infection or injury that needs to be treated by a doctor. If you have a fever of 101 degrees or higher, or a fever that lasts more than 3 days, then you should see your doctor to make sure you don't have a secondary infection. Excessive vomiting while you have a cold poses a serious danger of dehydration. Try to drink lots of fluid and to stay hydrated. If you are unable to keep the fluids down, you may need to go to the hospital to receive fluids intravenously. If your cold lasts for too long, that is also an indicator that you should see a doctor. How long is too long? It depends on who the patient is. For newborns, any cold is too long. At the first sign of a cold or flu symptoms, take your child to the pediatrician immediately. If you are pregnant or nursing a baby, then if the cold persists for longer than 3 days, it could be dangerous for you and the baby. For everyone else, the cold and flu symptoms should run their course in 7 days or less. If your cold lasts longer than that, it is time to see a doctor. Remember, cold and flu symptoms are usually indicative of a common ailment, so don't worry unnecessarily. But it is smart to be on the lookout for indications that you might need a doctor's care and respond appropriately. I'm Dr. Mom, and thanks for listening.
Want to learn more? Check out other videos and sources on this site for more information.